Hello everyone. The topic for today is why you should lodge your taxes with a registered tax agent. There are few benefits of lodging with the registered tax agent. The first benefit is you can discuss your tax affairs. So whatever you have done in last financial year, maybe you have incurred some expense, you are not sure whether you can claim it or not, or maybe like maybe you have bought a car, or or you have bought a phone, expensive phone, or you did some investment. So all those tax affairs can be discussed with the tax agent, and tax agent can advise you whether that can be deductible or not, and your refund can go up with a by a very high amount if those expenses can be claimed in your tax return. So it's very important to discuss. It's like a health check which you should do it every year. Similarly, you should get your tax check done. You need to discuss your tax affairs, what has happened in last year and what things you can claim. The next is the tax planning. You need to discuss what you intend to do in next year, like you want to buy investment property, or you want to invest in shares, or you want to spend some money, whether that can be claimed or how it can be claimed. Those things you can discuss with the tax agent. The next thing, it's your review of ATO profile. So once you go to tax agent, the tax agent can access all your ATO history, like your GST lodgements, your income tax lodgements, how much refund, what did you claim, did ATO impose any penalty, all those things they can access from the ATO record. So it is always advisable to go to a tax agent. Since they have reviewed your ATO file, they can help you in lodging objection or amendment. Objection, you can lodge it for last 5 years. So let us say you have done some mistake in in your tax return 2 years back, or you have done some mistake in your GST filing 6 months back or 3 years back. Then the tax agent can help you in changing that. It's called objection or amendment. So tax agent can help you in lodgement of objection and amendment, and maybe like you can get higher refund and your tax file can be properly fixed. Now the next thing is, whatever fees you pay to tax agent, that is tax deductible. It is not tax refundable, it is tax deductible, which means that whatever amount you pay, you can claim it in your tax return next year. Your income goes down and you claim a part of it. You get a refund only for part of it once you lodge your tax return next year. Thanks for watching.